What information do I need to provide in order to transfer my Dead by Daylight account?
Hello, fellow gamers. Today, we'll be discussing a topic that a lot of Dead by Daylight players ask about: how to transfer your Dead by Daylight account. This video will guide you through each step you need to follow and detail the essential information required to successfully transfer your account.
What do you need for the transfer?
Before you begin the process of transferring your Dead by Daylight account, you should gather the following important information. 1. Your original account information. This includes your username and password, and any additional security information linked to the account. 2. Your game progress. Keep a record of your level, character progress, purchased content, and any other pertinent in-game progress. This isn't necessary for the transfer, but it will help you confirm that all your data has moved correctly.
Can you transfer between different platforms?
One of the main reasons players want to transfer their account is to carry their progress over to a new gaming platform. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Dead by Daylight did not support cross-progression between all platforms. It was available only between Steam, Google Stadia, and Nintendo Switch. It was not available for PlayStation or Xbox.
How to proceed with the transfer?
To begin the transfer, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Dead by Daylight account on your original platform using your account information. 2. Navigate to the account settings and look for an option to link your account to the other platform. 3. Enter your new platform's account information and confirm the link. Remember, these steps might slightly differ depending on updates and changes made by the game developers after my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. And there you have it. We've covered what you need to know about transferring your Dead by Daylight account. Remember, the ability to transfer and the process might change over time, so always refer to the most recent information provided by the game developers. Happy gaming, and I hope this video has been helpful.